Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, HID headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.